Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Duo Podcast.
I'm Daniel, and this is Sophia.
We're so happy to be here today with you.
Yes, Sophia. Sharing English learning tips always makes my day.
And before we jump into today's chat, don't forget to like this video.
Share it with your friends and subscribe if you haven't yet.
That support helps us more than you know. Thank you so much.
So, Sophia, today's topic is an important one. Training both your mouth and your mind for English.
Oh, yes, Daniel. I love this. Many people tell us I can understand English, but I just can't speak it.
Exactly. They read and listen well, but speaking feels hard. Why do you think that happens, Sophia?
I think it's because their mouths haven't practiced. It's like reading about swimming, but never getting in the pool.
Right. The brain knows, but the mouth feels stuck.
Yes. It can feel frozen or shy. Our mouths are so used to our first language. English takes special training.
That's a great point. The mouth is like a muscle, not like your biceps, but it still needs exercise.
Exactly. If you want stronger arms, you lift weights. You don't just think about lifting.
And you don't become strong after one workout. You need time and practice.
The same goes for English sounds. At first, it feels strange, but soon it feels natural.
So, if people know lots of words but struggle to speak, it doesn't mean they're not smart.
Yes, it's not about intelligence. It's about muscle memory. The mouth needs to learn the sounds.
So true. Now, Sophia, do you know a good way to train the mouth?
Absolutely. One of my favorites is shadowing. Have you heard of it, Daniel?
Shadowing? Is that like following someone's shadow?
Yes. You listen to someone speaking English, and then you repeat after them, almost at the same time.
Oh, so it's like echoing what they say.
Exactly. You copy pronunciation, rhythm, and tone. You try to sound just like the speaker.
That sounds fun. So if someone says, "Good morning, how are you?" I repeat,
That makes them feel natural. The more you repeat, the more automatic they become.
like learning song lyrics. At first, you read, then it becomes natural to sing.
Yes, over time, longer phrases will be easy too. But here's another important tip.
Speaking out loud, even when you're alone.
Exactly. Maybe don't do it in public, but at home, it's perfect.
Talk to yourself about daily life. Say what you're doing right now.
For example, I'm making tea. It smells great. I need sugar.
Or, I'm cleaning the living room. Next, I'll wash the dishes.
Even simple things like, this is a pen. It's blue. It's on the desk.
Yes, you don't need a partner. You're your own practice partner.
And mistakes don't matter here. The goal is just making sound in English.
Exactly. The more you do it, the more natural it feels.
So, Daniel, now that's the mouth. How do we train the mind?
Good question. Thinking in English is the next step.
It sounds hard, but really you can start small.
Don't try to think about big ideas at first.
Instead, connect simple words with things around you. See water? Think water. Feel hungry? Think I'm hungry.
Yes, don't translate in your head. Try to think directly in English.
And even if you don't know many words, use what you have. Add more step by step.
Start with, "It's cold," or "I need to go out."
That stops the slow process of translating. Your brain becomes quicker.
Exactly. Thinking in English is like building a highway for your thoughts.
Yes, a super highway. Start with small words, then simple phrases, then longer ones.
Now, how do we bring English into daily life?
Make English part of your routine, not just study time, daily time.
Yes, use apps for a few minutes on the bus.
Watch videos with subtitles, even cartoons or short news clips.
Listen to songs or short stories. And of course, podcasts like this one.
Yes, you can listen while cooking, cleaning, or walking.
The point is, don't break the chain. Keep the habit every day.
Each small effort builds confidence and momentum.
Now, let's talk about something very close to my heart. Your voice.
Yes, your English voice matters. Don't wait until you're perfect to speak.
Exactly. Your accent is part of you. It's not something to hide.
Yes, be proud of it. The goal is communication, not perfection.
When you embrace your voice, you feel more confident.
And when you feel confident, you speak more, which helps you improve faster.
Next time you speak, smile and say, "This is my English voice."
And here's one last thought. Your brain will follow your mouth.
Wow, that's deep. What do you mean, Sophia?
When you start speaking, your brain works harder to help. Speaking pushes learning faster.
So, speaking is not just showing what you know, it's how you learn.
Exactly. Reading and listening help, but speaking makes it real.
When your mouth starts speaking, your brain quickly catches up.
It's like your brain says, "Oh, we're doing this now. Let's provide the words."
Yes, speaking links sound, meaning, and action together.
So don't wait until you know everything. Start speaking now.
The more you speak, the faster your brain adapts.
It's a beautiful process.
This has been an amazing chat, Sophia.
I agree, Daniel. I hope everyone learned how to train both mouth and mind.
Remember, practice a little every day. You can do it.
Yes! And please subscribe to Bright English Podcast.
Share this with friends who are learning.
And leave us a comment. What phrase will you start repeating every day?
We love reading your comments. Thank you for joining us.
See you next time on Bright English Podcast.
Bye, everyone, and keep practicing.